3, and today I'm just going to be installing this wig. This video is sponsored by Vivi Babi Hair. They sent me this unit. This particular unit is a 24-inch Brazilian deep curly unit, and as you guys can see, it looks so good. Okay, look at my hang time. But this hair is so freaking beautiful, and I literally installed it in like 30 minutes. Like, I'm really getting good at this shit. The lace that they sent me is 13 by 4, and this is also 150% density unit. I have not had any problems out of this hair, but I will tell you guys that I've only had it in this hair for a day. So I will probably update you guys in the comments within like a couple days and tell you my experience, my full experience with the hair. Normally when I do these kind of videos, I've already had the hair in for a couple days, but this is a different type of situation, so I will update you guys in the comments. I will let you guys know that when I got this unit, it came with a wig cap and it came with lashes also. I'm not a fan of lashes, but if you like lashes, then you know that's a plus because they're free. If you're interested in seeing me install this wig, just make sure that you keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs this video up, and also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my catch baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. Period. But we just gonna hop right into this video.
Okay, so as you guys can see, I am starting off on a freshly washed unit. So this is the true curl pattern of the hair. When I got the unit, I did pluck it and bleach it off camera. If you are new to my channel, I do have a video that I show you guys how I customize my units, pluck it, bleach the knots, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm not really going to be doing much to this wig. It literally took me about 30 minutes, maybe a little bit less, because I think it was like 26 or 27 minutes that all of the clips unedited were. So it took me like less than 30 minutes to install this unit. Right here you guys see me just cutting a piece of the wig cap. If I can see it through the wig, I try to cut it like backwards, if that makes sense. Like I don't want to be able to see the cap whatsoever. So that's what I was doing here, and also trying to just figure out the position that I want the wig, because positioning is super duper important. Like, looking back at my old videos and old pictures, like my units were too far down, like they were too close to my freaking eyebrows. So I just try to get the positioning right before I start gluing, because I think that's where I used to make a huge mistake. It was when I was gluing down the hair that I was actually placing it, which is actually totally wrong. So as you guys see, I try to find positioning before I glue it down. If you cannot tell, this is medium brown lace. Nowadays nobody really sells medium brown lace anymore, but this is like the OG lace. Everybody used to have medium brown lace. I don't recommend it if you are lighter than me, but if you are my color and darker, you can make like medium brown lace work, because it's basically just like it's already tinted. Basically, that's all it is. It's just already tinted. I do prefer HD lace, or what is the other lace? HD, I don't know. Transparent. HD or transparent lace. I do prefer that because it's just easier to work with, just out of preference. But like I said, this unit was super duper easy to install. So I mean, if you're my color or darker, you can easily install this wig without any issues. Right here, I am just applying some Ghost Bond glue. This is the glue that I always use. I will put a picture on the screen for it, of course. And I am pushing that lace into my skin with a comb. And I also cut the lace in 3 pieces. It just kind of helps me place it better. It's kind of hard to place it all down at one time. That's why I like to cut the lace. Sometimes, especially if the wig feels like it's super duper tight on my head. Like, I like to order a large wig, so if a company wig feel like it's too small, I have to cut the lace to be able to sit it right on my head, because my head is huge. So yeah, that's what you guys see right there, just those cuts in the lace. And I'm just using a regular comb to just push it down once it's glued. And I'm also using a blow dryer to blow dry it. And you don't want to place it until it's white. I mean, not white, until it's clear. You don't want to place it down until it's clear. And yeah, that's all that's really to it. After this step, I'm going to be using some Got To Be spray in the yellow can. I'm going to tie up the hair. And then I'm going to use some Got To Be in the yellow can. And I just spray it all around the lace. And then I tie it down with the elastic band. This company did not send an elastic band, but you can find elastic bands at your local beauty supply store. So check those out because they're super duper good for laying your lace down to your skin. I'm going for a middle part, so I'm just splitting my hair down the middle, trying to get the part as straight as I possibly can. And all that I'm going to be using on this hair is foam, as you guys can see, and some Cheese Silk Infusion, but I don't even think I use no more than like a dime size of that. And then I'm also going to be using gel, but that's literally it. That's all I'm going to be using for this hair. And for the gel, I didn't even put it on the actual hair. I only put it like on the part area because there were a few flyaways. So other than that, this hair did not need like much product for it to look super duper pretty. It just kind of already looked like that. Like all I did was put some foam on it and it was looking good. Right here, you guys just see me using a hot comb, super optional. This hair will lay down on its own, but I just like that super sleek look, so I was using this hot comb that I got from Walmart. I will also put that on the screen for you guys. And I am drenching the hair in some foam. Now, the reason I prefer foam over water is just because foam is more so like a holding product, and I like for my curly hair to look tamed and like maintain like that wet look. So I like to use foam. Water is cool and all. It's it's cool. It's free, but foam is it just does a better job when it comes to curly hair. I just prefer it nowadays rather than water. And yeah, I am using. I think that's the BB foam. So yeah, I was just using that hot comb again to just make sure everything looks straight. And as you guys can see, like the wig already looks great, and I've barely done anything to it, like literally barely done anything to it. Right here, you guys just see me using some gel. This is the Got To Be. I didn't show it in the camera, but that's Got To Be gel in the black bottle. And also putting some of that on top where I want to lay my part down. And right here, I'm just using a laser. Using a razor to cut off the lace. I think this is probably like my second time using a razor. I just wanted to see what it was going to do. Normally I just use some scissors, but it was cool. I mean, it gave it like that jagged, is that the right word? I hope so. It gave it like a, you know, rigid look so you can't really detect the lace. Somebody had called me and I forgot to restart the camera, so I'm so sorry that you guys did not get to see me do all the other baby hairs, but it's basically just the same process. All I did was take out some hair and cut it with the razor and swoop it. I also have a baby hair tutorial on my channel if you guys want to watch that. But that's literally it, y'all. That is literally all I did for this unit. And as you guys can see, it looks so good. Like, so good. Like, I literally spent like 20-something minutes on this hair. And it looks so freaking good. That's why I love curly hair. And if y'all know, like, I really love curly hair in the winter time or like the fall time because it just looks so good. Like, I don't know what it is. I prefer straight hair in the summertime and curly hair in the wintertime. Look at that, y'all. Look at the lace. It looks so good. But that's pretty much it. That's all I did for this hair. So
okay, so that pretty much sums up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will have all the links on this hair listed in my description box. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, you can just go there. If you guys enjoyed it, please do not forget to thumbs it up. And also comment down below and tell me what you guys want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit. I'm lit. And if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. Period. Okay, bye. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye.